What happens when you sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon into your soil? The result is something every gardener dreams of: plants thriving without the constant attack of pests and diseases. To try this simple yet powerful trick, take just 1 spoon of ground cinnamon. Lightly sprinkle it over the top layer of soil around your plants. Spread it evenly, but don't worry about exact measurement. Plants respond even to small amounts. Cinnamon acts like a natural shield, keeping away ants, gnats, and other tiny invaders that damage roots. If you notice fungus or mold building up near seedlings, there are 2 ways to act. First, you can sprinkle a little cinnamon directly on the affected spot. Or mix 1 spoon of cinnamon in 1 liter of water, stir well, and pour it gently into the soil. This not only stops fungal growth, but also strengthens young plants so they can grow without competition. For cuttings or new stems, dip the fresh ends into cinnamon before planting. This prevents rotting and encourages faster root growth naturally. Cinnamon has been treasured for centuries, and in the garden it reveals its true hidden power. Such a small step can bring remarkable transformation. Try it once and see how your plants respond. Protect your plants the natural way. Add cinnamon, pour, and watch pests vanish.